Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria. So today I'm going to be making a 2-layer Halloween cake. I use spackle to cover my cakes, but today instead I'm going to be using not only spackle but also a foam sheet to cover an entire layer. So the first layer is going to be covered in spackle and the second is going to be covered in a foam sheet. I cut this piece out of a large smooth foam. I'm going to finish trimming it down to a 4-inch round disc. Then I'm going to make sure that it's all smooth. So keep watching so I can tell you why it needs to be smooth. So I got lucky and I got this large piece of foam from my sister, but you can purchase them at any craft store. I know they are a bit expensive, so whenever I have that 40% coupon off one regular item, I go to Michael's. This is my first time making a cake using a foam sheet. I'm going to use an iron at high temperature. I want the sheet to be flimsy so it will be easier to work with. First I'm going to iron the entire sheet, then I'm going to place my foam, making sure that it's in the center of the sheet. After, I will begin to pull gently upward, making sure not to pull too hard, otherwise it will rip. After that, I am going to just continue doing this over and over until I get the shape of the foam. Then I will begin to glue it. I am not going to worry about the bottom piece, or the bottom side, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna go off subject for a second here. I want to do a giveaway, but first I need to reach 500 subscribers. So if you want to be part of that giveaway and you have yet not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like and comment, also share, that would be awesome. So you can also get a chance to enter that giveaway. The reason why you should use smooth foam and not styrofoam, because you will see the dents that the styrofoam has, unlike the smooth foam. And as well, this is what happens when you pull too hard, so you have to make sure that to pull not as hard when it comes to these very thin foam sheets. Now the plain ones, there are some that are a little bit thicker. That one I do recommend you to pull a little harder. So I did not like how it looked. I was not able to save it, so I just went ahead and did the same thing, but this time I used a plain foam sheet. This one is a little bit thicker, so I was able to pull a little bit harder and not having to worry that I would rip it. I'm sorry. Now it's time to finish decorating it. So I purchased this all-purpose glue, craft glue from Michael's, and it was just not working for me. It was just giving me the hardest time gluing things down. So at the end, I just wind up using my hot glue instead. Maybe it does work for others, but for me, I don't know what was going on. It was just giving me the hardest time ever. Okay, so now it's time to make some ghosts. I made two of them out of Model Magic, and then one of them I made it out of foam sheet. So I'm going to leave a list of the links of some of the items that I use in this video in the description box down below. Simplest way to make these shoes is you want to make two teardrop shapes. Then you just push your tool down and pull back. You want to add a little cute bow, and that is it. That's how simple they are. I'm using this donut that I made out of plaster of Paris, and it's going to hold my ball in place. I'm going to do the same technique that I did with the cake. The only difference is that instead of me pulling up, I'm going to be pushing down until I get the shape of the ball. Okay, so all I need to add some cute little bows and she is done. Here is a closer look. So what do you think? Guys, I really hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until the next video, stay safe, be kind, bye.